Do you like double cameras on your telephones? Provided that this is true, Asus has 6 bits of uplifting news for you, as 6 recently reported Zenfone 4 telephones, each outfitted with a double camera. The range, which incorporates the Zenfone 4 Selfie and Selfie Pro telephones, which are outfitted with double cameras on their fronts. In addition to the monetary allowance, Zenfone 4 Maximum and Maximum Pro might be troublesome for you to explore through. We'll make it straightforward. The Zenfone 4 and Zenfone 4 Pro telephones are the ones you need. Both element double cameras, however with an alternate take. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 fueled Zenfone 4's back shooters are of the wide edge assortment, like the LG G6, $517.99 at Amazon.com. This enables it to give you a chance to take in a greater shot, yet you won't have the capacity to do cool bokeh pictures like the iPhone 7 Plus, $1,299.11 at Amazon.com. For that, you'll need to look to the Zenfone 4 Pro, which is the most capable telephone in the Asus lineup. It packs the best-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, a similar chip found in Samsung's Galaxy S8, and its back cameras gives you a chance to shoot with 2x optical zoom. Other than wide points and optical zoom, the two telephones tout extraordinary low light shots because of vast 1.4 sensor pixels, a ref 1.8 gap and 4 hub OIS to enable you to get that. We'll be trying these cameras out all together when we get a survey unit later on. Obviously, the two telephones highlight a 5.5-inch Full HD show. However, the Pro has a leg up with a splendid AMOLED show, while the standard model runs a Super IPS Plus show. The Zenfone 4 will have a beginning cost of $399, 310 pounds, $500, while the Pro model will be more costly at $599, 465 pounds, $755.